guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's actually early in the morning. I'm fixing to go to work, but we're gonna do some grilled chicken breast this afternoon, and I'm gonna get started. I typically don't use marinade on chicken breast, but I was in the store the other day and ran across this. This is the Stubbs. This is their chicken marinade. It's got citrus and onion. Sounds good. I've never had it, so I wanted to give this a try on the chicken breast tonight. So I'm gonna get this on some marinade and let her marinate all day, and this evening we're gonna grill up some chicken breast. Okay, this is 3 boneless, skinless chicken breast, and we're not doing anything to them, just putting them in the bag and throwing some marinade in. That one's still a little bit frozen, but we'll be all right. It'll be plenty thawed by the time dinner tonight. And leave it to the cameraman not to turn the camera on. Yeah, we just stuck in the bag. I poured the whole bottle in. It's going in the fridge. Tonight we'll get this on the grill. Hey guys, we'll pull these chicken breast out of here. I'm just kind of patting some of that marinade off of them. Not 100%, not that concerned about it. But I'm gonna apply a little bit of rub on here, on top of what's already there. Guys, I'm gonna come in here with some of this herbaceous hen. I love this stuff on chicken, guys. I'm hoping it's gonna mix well with this marinade we got going on. From Grillaholics, I got a link below. Get you 20% off. I don't know if it's a brand new bottle. I don't know how well that's gonna pour. No. I have to do it that way, just be very careful. Nice little layer there. All right, looking really good. Just hit the other side with a little bit. Don't have to do a whole lot. There's a ton of flavor in there already. When that fire comes up, we're gonna get this on the grill. All right, guys, that's about right there. Setting this up in our typical 2-zone fire. Had about maybe just a little over half a load of the chimney filled with charcoal. Don't really need a full basket on this one. Just heat it up. Alright guys, we're going to grill these off a little bit. This is some hickory wood I'm just tossing in here, just to get a little bit of smoke on them. Don't expect a whole lot of smoke, but get these things on. We're going to go a few minutes on each side just to get a little char, and then I'm going to pull them indirect to finish. Alright. Check back in a few minutes. It's been about 4 or 5 minutes. We'll give this a turn. Yeah, that temperature dropped once the meat got under, so I think we're okay. Alright guys, give this another few minutes and then we're going to go indirect. Guys, we're going to turn these, but I'm going to move them indirect. We're going to finish all of this indirect. I'm going to get some temperatures on this. Definitely got a little bit to go. Our target temperature, these are breasts, so 165 and they'll be done. But with these breasts, they can easily dry out, so we're definitely going to watch them because we don't really want to go over that 165 mark. But I'm gonna pull these, keep these off to the side here. We're gonna let them cook on up to temp, and I'll probably turn them maybe once. But from here, we're just gonna let them cook and get a little smoke on them. Alright, so we'll come and give these guys a flip. See where we are. We probably should be getting close. A little bit more. 140, 149. We're close. I'm going to turn this one around so that the thicker end is closer to the heat. Same with this one. I bet we're. Yep. Alright guys, next time we see this, I bet we're pulling this off. Alright guys, I am definitely calling this. Definitely. 160, well that's 169, so we probably need to definitely need to get that off. Yeah, 167. Let's get this off of here, go inside, get my family fed, and then you and I will get a bite. Alright guys, look at that beautiful piece of chicken. Smells amazing. These are just some quick frozen vegetables we put together real quick. Alright guys, we temped at just over, about 167 actually, and I finally temped out. See if we got any, should have plenty of juices there. And there is some, feels good, got a good hint of that hickory smoke, but really should just be a hint of all the flavor, no more than what we put on there. Let's get a taste of this, guys. It is a warm one, guys, but I'm trying real hard not to complain because it's been raining for a month. I'm just happy to be outside cooking. So I'm gonna take it for what it is. So guys, this chicken smells amazing. Let's get a bite. Oh yeah, it's moist. Of course that marinade helps with that. Little hint of hickory, and that herbaceous hen really stands out. Again, we use that Stubbs. That's that marinated citrus and onion. I'm definitely getting a citrus flavor in there for sure. And of course, I love that herbaceous hen. Guys, I am an affiliate of the Grillaholics, so be a link below. Get you 20% off if you choose this or anything else in the store. So we just did some little, they're frozen vegetables. We microwaved them and added some seasoning. They're good. Guys, thank you so much. It is delicious. Let me wash this down. Thank you so much for watching. As always, guys, like this video if you liked it, and it helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and be sure to hit that bell notification, let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, thank you as always, and guys, we will see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.